What are we doing? We're going to El Salvador by boat. How many surfboards are we bringing?
Too many. I don't know, maybe 12 or 15.
Gracias! We are walking to the boat, and then we're going to take it across the Gulf to El Salvador. And then we're going to go surf today.
Surf?
Meow!
Get 15 tables on
Every day, check my lucky. Got my